Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a faded background video effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this for the background and I'm just going to use this for the overlay. Select the overlay, go to cutout and select auto cutout so it's easier. This is like the usual stuff that you get. I'm just going to, you can like place the person kind of to the right a little bit so it's easier. I'm just going to select the background and I'm going to select mask, and I'll select the horizontal one and I'm just going to rotate it. This way you can even like rotate it, like select it like this, and you're just going to simply mask it and feather it out, and you can kind of like adjust where you want the mask to be, maybe like here, and you can even change like the canvas color. So go to color and like select maybe like a white one so it blends it a little, so it blends in a little bit better. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!